When Steven told me about his ideal girlfriend type, I knew that my sister gonna be a perfect fit for him. My sister is an independent, smart, and pretty girl. And Steven is a handsome, a caring leader who is always there for his friends and family.
I knew from the first moment I laid eyes on you that you would be my best friend. But that obviously didn't pan out. I'm not marrying my best friend. To say that you're my best friend would be an insult. Our love has grown in 7 years beyond the idea of friendships. We started our journey together as strangers from 2 different schools, 2 different cities. We were even born in 2 different countries. But yet, here we are staying as one. When I look at my reflection in the mirror, I see myself. But when I look in your eyes, I see a better me. Someone who's shown me through love what a husband can be. A partner, a lover, and a shining light. You have been the brightest light in my darkest days. Sometimes it's so bright it burns. But I always come out a better man.
So just breathe. Breathe in, breathe deep, you know that's all you need. I can't describe your eyes, but they're as blue as the sea. Your heart, it beats in perfect time with me. Baby, you know that I want mine. If we get no rest till the sunrise, again as light shows your face, I can never be the same.
I've asked God many times, why does He test us so much? I'm so lucky you've been there each time to lift me up, to hold my hands when the odds are all against us. We have overcome it all together. I can't promise you an easy, simple or happy marriage, because let's be real, it's not like that. We've almost both broke down. We wouldn't have made it without trust, sacrifice, patience, and altruism. Here we are today. Because of both it all, we've had love. Things might change, we both might change. And there might be people come in between us, but my love for you will never change. And that I promise you.